Okay, so now, again, as I go through more of these, I expect kind of less and less people to use them, maybe. So I like Ollama. Ollama, so basically there's a program called Llama, Llama, and it's for you running LLMs. Well, it's all command line, and not that it's hard, it's just nerdy, and a lot of people don't like to do that. So people made Ollama, and it's a graphical user interface. Originally, I think, for the Mac, but now it's for the Windows and everything else. And the cool thing about it is it exposes um, an API endpoint. So what does that mean? That means now that programs can use Ollama to either go to the web or go to a local model. It's kind of like a router or an intelligent system that says, hey, use something here locally, use something remotely. So let's get it installed. And again, with Ollama, remember that since it's a free plan, they do have paid plans like $20 a month. But since it's free, you get a lot less. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See, run 3 cloud models at a time. I think you can still run a cloud model on the free one. I think you have it's very controlled. I'm just gonna hit download here. Actually, just give me this command. I'm gonna copy this or download. I guess we just go download. I don't know if I've ever downloaded it this way. I've always done it this way. So I'm gonna create an account. Just sign in. R Young at UNLV. I don't know if I have an account. Just saying, hey, here's how you install it. So let me, since I downloaded it this way. Okay, so it's up here. That's all you get. So the first thing I kind of want to do is sign in. I want to make sure I'm signed in. Not connected. So I'm going to hit sign in. What was it? R Young at unlv.edu. Okay, so look at that. We have, let me just double check settings. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna change this up to 64K. Okay, yeah, it says, hey, upgrade. I'm on a free account, so this is definitely a free account. We're gonna try to charge you $20. I don't want to pay the $20. So, what can this do now? So this can go open Ollama. Nope. Actually, that was right. I just got to get out of settings. I don't know if it will work since there's no models installed. What is the capital of New York? New Mexico, New York. So I have no models installed. Okay, so nothing's going to happen. So what I'm going to do, we go to Ollama, models, and I'm going to find newest. Now let's do popular. Now it's kind of hard because you don't know like what a big model is and a small model. Like, can I run this one? I mean, unless you're like really good, you're not going to know. There are ways to do it. So Gemma, whatever it is, or Qwen 3.5, actually Qwen 3.6. Yeah, there we go. Probably can be run because this is a virtual machine. So I'm just going to get a real small one. So this is a size, the number of neurons. Okay. So it tells you right down here. MLX is a Macintosh thing, so let me try that. Maybe this one. It's just on this virtual machine. I don't know. Let me try this one. So then I go to new. Oh. It's Ollama pull. Now it's downloading it. Now there are some cloud models, and I'm assuming we can use them as a free user. Cloud. So let me copy this one. So since it's a cloud model, we really don't got to install anything. You see how fast that was? So let me just open this up again. Right there's one we just installed. What is the weight of a 1957 Chevy, I guess, Bel Air? Look, it worked. Okay, so let's think about what happened. So that technically kind of hit a local model, not really a local model, it hit a local endpoint and then sent it up to the cloud. So now somebody knows that my email or we asked that question. Okay, it's a weight of a 57 Chevy, not a problem. But now if you ask more intimate questions, healthcare related, personal questions, sexual questions, know that somebody could have this. It could be bad. It could be good. I don't know. Keep that in mind. Okay, so actually let me go to another model here too. Do I have new chat? Let me just download this one here. Okay. Why can't I just take a vitamin B12 pill? Why does it have to be a shot? You can take vitamin B12 pills, by the way. It doesn't have to be a shot, but they're not as effective. So again, now it's going to try to download the model. We do have this model that we downloaded, Qwen. So let me try grabbing that one, see if we can use it. Or we can wait. I guess I'll wait. I'll pause it and come back. Oh, yeah, and if you're wondering, I do have like 1 gig download from Cox Cable, so it's not like it's slow, it's just taking forever, and my patience is, if I had a homework assignment, I'd be freaking out. So I'm just going to keep waiting for a while. Oh, look at that, it's done. Let's see. I have to repost my question. So, why did it's not focusing on my face now? The kind of way to think about. There we go. The way to kind of think about Ollama is that it's kind of like Open Router, just locally. So now we have one endpoint. We have Ollama, which sounds weird. We have Ollama, and I can go to this cloud model. I can go to that cloud model. I can go to this local model. Let me try this. Yeah, so I could not run that one that it downloaded. Complete waste of time. But I can run this Qwen one that I downloaded. So this is a VM machine, and my VM machine just does not have a lot of memory. And if you look, brew install macmon. There you go, it answers it. So macmon. What about S? Oh, you know what? Activity. ACT. A-C-T. Look at that, anti-gravity was running in the background. Okay, so I want to show you something. So here is one of the cloud models. Please, let's see something I'll write. A hugging face that takes a person's height. I don't know, let's see, it takes a person's age, zip code. Yeah, let's just make it simple. Zip code. And tries to figure out when sunset and sunrise will be. Please show me all the Python code. So as you can see right now, it's not really hammering my computer. You can also see how fast it is too. And this is a VM. This machine is inherently slow. Okay. Now if I disconnect the internet, that won't work. So let me take the same prompt. Go new chat. And now I'm going to go using this Qwen. And it's a small Qwen, so I don't know if you're going to notice it, but we should start seeing stuff on here. Yep, see right there? Yep. Yeah, see how it's starting to spike up? Because again, it's using this local machine to do, the model is running locally. We could turn off the internet and this would still work. I want it to work worldwide and in any time zone. Again, we'll see another spike. So again, you know, a 4 billion model network is, you know, it can do good stuff, I guess, you know. You see it slowing down my machine because Chrome won't even load now.